RIME stock analysis and RIME stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Algorhythm holdings, I see the price just slowly, surely, but melting down. Now, having done 37,000 videos, having spent 5 figures in courses and mentors, I'm still going to follow my edge that I've tested for 5 years, refined for 5 years. So Algorhythm holdings, yes. I'm not even trying to sound tough or rough, you know, it's still a bearish market though. Like, even go like the last short sale that I got was like this year, the beginning of the year, January. And I was bearish here. You can see it was sitting at 16 cents. And then we had a reverse split and now it's $2, right? But like up until that point, right until right now, we've come down 92% in 2 months. And like 2 months in a week. So yeah, like for me, still a bearish market unless there's like a big narrative shift, there's like big catalyst or whatever, but no. Or if there's like a full candle close above 312. So other than that, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce.